In this video, let's talk about how to use the Zillow AI Zestimate history to predict prices. So if you're trying to predict prices within Zillow using the Zillow AI, which is called Zestimates, what you first need to do is view the Zestimate history chart. You can just scroll down within a particular listing and you'll be able to see the option which says Zestimate history. You can simply take a look at the chart and hover over all of the years and take a look at the price changes. Now once you've done this and you can look at the Zestimate history, the second thing you need to do is look at the local error rate. To do that, scroll down to the bottom of this page where you'll be able to see a section which says Zestimates. You can just tap on this option and right here you'll be able to see a title which says how accurate is the Zestimate. You can scroll down and this is the exact section that you need. You'll need to look up for your specific county or even your local area. You'll need to check the median error rate, which is usually around 2 to 3%. So using this exact process, you'll be able to check the price estimate for a particular listing inside of a particular area. You'll also need to find 3 to 5 neighborhood homes that have been sold in the last 90 days to look at the exact graph history of that particular property as well. So by following this exact process, you'll be able to use the Zillow AI's estimate history to predict prices. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.